how to turn on satellite mode in Google Maps. So we have Google Maps open here, and this will work just the same on your mobile. So no matter how much we zoom in, you will not get that satellite mode. It just gets closer and closer like that. So what you need to press is layers here. It may look like triangles all on top of each other on a mobile phone. Have a look like this here, the more sign here. Have a look in one of the corners of the map. Once you see that, press more, and then you'll see here map type. It may be in a different location on your mobile phone, but it will be in the map type. Then press satellite, and there you go. You'll have turned on satellite mode on Google Maps. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, smash the like, smash the subscribe, and thank you for watching.